Stayed with judicial matters, but this time in Ondo State, where the Federal High Court sitting in Akure has dismissed the seat challenging qualifications of the All Progressives Congress governorship candidate Aiyedatiwa and his running mate Olayide Adelami. The presiding judge ruled that the candidate of the PDP Agboola Ajayi lacked the locus standi to file the suit. Aiyedatiwa reports.
People's Democratic Party governorship candidate Agboola Ajayi had instituted a suit bordering on forgery of certificates against the Ondo State Deputy Governor Olayide Adelami. In the suit filed by his counsel, he challenged the eligibility of Mr. Adelami to run as deputy governorship candidate in the election on the platform of the APC. His eligibility was also challenged by the People's Democratic Party in the state. Counsel to the deputy governor Remi Olatobura said the plaintiff has no right to file the suit following Section 29, subsection 5 of the Electoral Act 2022 because they are not members of APC and did not participate in the party's primary election. Justice Tony Bolaji Adegoke said the issue involving certificate forgery and perjury is criminal in nature, which required calling of evidence from the authorities that issued the certificates in question. The judge also urged that the PDP and its candidates are not aspirants in the APC primary election that produced Governor Aiyedatiwa and Adelami as candidates. Counsel to the parties in the matter reacted to the judgment.
The law requires him to file this action within 14 days of the occurrence of the event, that is the alleged presentation of forged certificates. So he wasn't in this court. And then on the merit, the court also examined the document that he put forward. You allege that an individual forged certificate. The law requires you to invite the institutions that issued the certificate for the institution to come to court and then disclaim the certificates as not having been issued by them. They didn't bring any of those institutions.
Judgment was a very wonderful judgment. You know, the court considered Section 285, subsection 14 and Section 29 of the Electoral Act. And, you know, those two sections, both that of the Constitution and of the Electoral Act, are to the effect that it is only an aspirant who participated in the primary election that can come to court as a local standard.
The court also dismissed the case based on the fact that the plaintiffs failed to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. Aiyedatiwa, TVC News, Akure.
Meanwhile, Ondo State Governor Aiyedatiwa has commanded the dismissal of the suit challenging his qualification for the just concluded governorship election in the state. Governor Aiyedatiwa described the court's intervention as timely, describing it as a needless distraction.